Hi friends, this is Shiva. Welcome back to channel. Right now I am in IKEA Hyderabad and there are 28 stores which we need to visit and they are all interconnected and it takes around 1.5 hours to 2 hours to visit it entirely. You can go for a random shopping or you can just visit the IKEA Hyderabad and you can go out, without shopping also. And if you are starting a new home or if you are thinking to start a new home, this is a good place to buy all your home needs. You can get a wide variety of appliances like from home appliances, kitchen appliances, gardening appliances and etc. And it takes of time to tell about the list of items you can get you can purchase from here. So let's not waste the time and let's start exploring the IKEA Hyderabad. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below over here. This is the walkway which leads to the entrance of the IKEA, and this we need to enter into the lift so that we can get to the entrance of the IKEA in the first floor. And this is the IKEA food section, IKEA Cave. And you can see the menu. We need to choose from that menu. We need to collect a trolley and a fiber plate so that we can place our food items over that. If you want to drink a coffee, you can take a cup. And these are the pastries. And these are the veg puffs and buns. And here it comes to the veg section and non-veg section. And in veg section you can get veg pod balls, and in non-veg section you can get chicken meatballs. They are charging rupees 149. And these are also pastries. And you can see the puffs. One is a mushroom puff and another one is a normal veg puff. This is the chicken meatball. And after collecting all the items, I need to go to the billing section. These are the extra toppings like jam, butter and all. And here you need to bill. After that you can select a table and you can have your food. For spoons and extra toppings like pepper and all, you can collect them after the billing. There's a huge area where you can sit and dine. There's a good play area for kids. After eating, you have to dispose of the trays in the specified section. You can collect the coffee or a tea. This is after billing, and you can see the place where everyone is dining. Especially on weekends like Saturday and Sunday, you can see a huge line even for collecting your food items also. And this is crockery items. This kitchenware. They are all reasonably charged, and they are offering some discounts also. I'm unable to tell you all the prices because it's a very huge shopping area, and I can't tell you the MRP of each and every item. So if you like anything, you can go to the IKEA Hyderabad directly and you can shop over there. Anyway, you can also do online shopping from IKEA.com. They will make you a door delivery, and they charge a reasonably price for home delivery also. These are all kitchen appliances like jars, dishes and all, and some are made up of hard fiber and few are made up of hard glass, and even you can find some porcelain jars also. After visiting IKEA, you will get to know that IKEA Hyderabad is one-stop destination for all your home needs. Blinds like sunshades and all. They are priced at 1600 to 3000 depending upon the material and the quality and the length. These are our spanners and all. Here you can see the bed sheets and all. Now you can see the bed sheets, blankets, pillows, mattress and all. Here at the time of shopping, you need to write the item code, and all these item codes are to be collected from the godown area, which is present in the 27th and 28th section. And for some items, you can collect it directly from the respected sections itself. These are all lamps, like in office area, kitchen area and dining area. Some lights you can find it in some restaurants also. These are all chandeliers. Everything is well arranged and you can get it very easily. Even there are so many guys who are ready to help you if you are facing any difficulty in finding some goods and all. Before buying, you can try it once or you can use it once also, but you can't carry it to your home. You need to try it in the IKEA only. This is the dustbin which you are seeing, that white color, and it is around 600 rupees, and the plastic quality is very good. These are all home cleaning appliances. These are all pillows and chairs, wooden chairs. If you want, you can sit and try it once. These are all home decorating items like plants, flowers and flower pots. There's a separate section for all this. Yeah, these are all plants and flower plants and all. There are some flower pots also. Here you can get some really big mirrors. And this is the clock area. You can get some classy clocks. This can be used for kids and children for studying purpose or dining purpose. You can see the hammocks. This is the golden which I said earlier, where you can collect the items, respective items. You need to write the item code and you need to collect the items from the golden. These are all soft toys. These are fiber dishes. This is the self-service point where you can order items from online, and this is available within the IKEA store only. You can order here and you can pick it up directly in your home, and they charge some home delivery charges around 900 to 1500. And these softwares are really wonderful, and they cost around 1000 to 1500 rupees only. The quality of items are really good and really cheap. And this is the building section. This is a bed roller where you can clean the dust from on your bed. This is the shopping we did. Collected lots of items. This can be used as a gardening light or lighting any lamp, like oil lamp or anything. These are all small fiber dishes which can be for serving for your relatives and all. And finally, building. Hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and kindly share this video with your friends.